Today, I will demonstrate the assembly and disassembly of MPO connectors. When opening the box, you can see two pigtail cables, two connectors, and one fiber jumper. The first step is to remove all the black protective caps from the components. The protective caps safeguard the precision structure of the connector heads. After removal, keep them properly to avoid losing them. If you notice any dirt, you can clean it with an alcohol pad. First, take a pigtail cable and look at its connector head. It has a solid protruding convex shape. Keep the raised part facing upward. Next, take a connector. Its connecting part is a hollow convex shape. Keep the side facing upward as well. Hold the connector firmly with your right hand, and hold the black reinforced part of the pigtail cable with your left hand. Align the raised structures of both parts. Gently push them together. And when you hear a click, it means the cable and connector are properly connected. Next, connect the fiber jumper. Hold the black reinforced part of the jumper with your right hand, and make sure its connector head also has the raised side facing upward. Hold the connector with your left hand, ensuring its raised side is also facing upward. Align the raised side of the jumper with the raised side of the connector. Gently push in, and when you hear a click, the first end is assembled. Repeat the same steps to connect the pigtail cable, connector, and jumper on the other end. Gently pull to check if the connection is secure. This completes the assembly of the MPO pure fiber cable. To disassemble, hold the connector with one hand and the blue connector part of the cable with the other hand. Pull both hands backward at the same time, and the cable will separate from the connector. Use the same method to disconnect the other parts. Finally, remember to put the black protective caps back on the components. The disassembly is now complete.